Hi, my name's Taylor. I'm a doctor of physical therapy. We'd like to introduce you to our OmniVR, an excellent option that sets our centers apart that can help you meet your goals and return to that next level of function rapidly. OmniVR is a system that allows residents to take their exercises and play it as a game. Upper body exercises, lower body exercises, walking, standing, all can be done in a digital format. Let's show you an example. Using our OmniVR, we have a resident set up here, and instead of focusing on just reaching and working through what seems like an exercise, we've turned it into a game. What I'd like you to do is hit that volleyball. Can you raise both your arms above your head? Now we take the task of doing an exercise and working on overhead reaching, turn it into a game. My resident and patient are engaged, they're having fun, and now all of a sudden we're working towards a goal more rapid than we would have been without it. Using our OmniVR, we're able to address all impairments that are keeping you from returning to functioning at your highest level. We can work on strength, we can work on balance, we can work on range of motion, we can work on your endurance and your breathing. We can also have multiple patients utilizing the equipment at the same time, which allows us to engage at a higher level so we're having fun and focusing on the things that are going to help you the most.